All right, this is the tutorial on how to submit a single time card, which means you're submitting a time card for a single employee. I recommend this if you are a warehouse employee, you are working alone on a job for now, you are doing service. Those are the people that are going to want to be using this specific time card. I am showing you the web version. Your app is going to look a little bit different, but it should be very similar. So you're going to go to your single time card on your dashboard, or you can access that over here on your sidebar. Click on single time card. If you have pre-selected a default job, that's going to default here. If you haven't done that, I recommend you do that. It's a really great time saver. So I'm going to be Adam. So what we're going to do is you'll start typing in your name and it will pull up recently used. So once you start doing this, your name will be under recently used. It will pull you up really quickly. So I'm going to be Adam today, and he does service work. So I'm going to pull up service work. You can either do job number or name. If you're warehouse, you can just type warehouse. If you are unsure of your job number, please check your Slack channel for your job. If you're still not clear about exactly the name or you can't find it, reach out to your PM and they can help you figure that out. So you'll click your service work. This part's a bit tedious, but it's a must do. You're going to click general cost. It's the only one there. You're going to enter your code. This is your earn code. So whether it's regular wages, overtime, double time, we don't use this reimbursed. So if you are working regular wages and double time on one day or one job, you will have to submit 2 different time cards for that one job. So let's do that. So let's say he is working regular hours today. Today is Wednesday. He's worked 8 hours. He's going to go ahead and hit 8. And then you're going to go to save time card. Okay. 7. Whatever. Okay. So let's say today he is working, he's working overtime. So here we have the 7 hours he worked regular time. He's going to go back, find that same job. If you're working service work, it's always going to be 30,000. Your cost code, again, general cost codes. Your earn code now is going to be overtime. So this automatically pre-fills. You don't need to change that ever. That's already preset for you. If for some reason you're an apprentice and this is not correct, please let us know. We can change that for you on our end. But now I just screwed that up. Okay. All right. But normally you don't have to change that little pre-fill for you. Again, choose a day. So today he's working 2 hours and then saving time card. So here you can see for service work, he now has 9 hours submitted. At the end of the week, if you're working on a single job and you're working regular hours, a 40-hour week, you should have 5 of these, 1 for every day. Same thing with warehouse. If you are getting straight time for warehouse and you're working 5 days a week, you'll have 5 of these to submit. If it's Friday afternoon, which I recommend you fill this out every day, otherwise it gets really tedious to enter it at the end of the week, or on Sunday mornings. If you do not have your time submitted through the software by 6:01 a.m. on Monday morning, you will be missed on this payroll run. So it is really important that you submit all your time and have it all done, I recommend, by Friday afternoon. Okay, so let's say that this is the end of the week. He only is working today. He's going to go ahead and hit review and submit. Here, it'll bring him to this screen here. He will, again, see all of his records, all the time cards that he's filled out. He's going to go ahead and submit records, and then he will hit submit. I'm not going to because I don't want to push it through to payroll, but that's what that will look like. If you have filled out your time and it's Sunday night and you have forgotten to submit, you can easily go and enter review time cards through here. You can see it pops up a little number that shows you how many time cards you have to review and submit. And then it'll bring you again to that same exact screen you found when you went through single time card and then submitted. So either way, you can submit that there. So if you are submitting time for yourself, you are working alone on a big job, you are doing service work, you're working in the office, you are doing warehouse, single time card is your jam. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will try to give some clarity and let me know if you need any other tutorials. Thanks, guys.